Magandang buhay mga bata! Tara, samahan ninyo akong matuto kasama si
Teacher Aika, your online teacher. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, share, and hit the notification bell for more videos. Thank you! Revised K-12 Curriculum, Music and Arts, Grade 5, Quarter 4, Lessons 6 to 8. Topic: Exploring Music and Arts as Influenced by Middle Spanish Colonial Period. This is Teacher Aika, your online teacher. Let's start! Learning Competency 1. Adopt conventional processes and practices in performing and visual arts during the 17th to 18th century in their creative works. Learning Objectives 1. Recognize relevant conventional processes and practices used in the performing and visual arts during the 17th to 18th century. 2. Use conventional processes and practice in performing and visual arts during the Spanish colonial period in their creative works. Week 6, Day 1. Activity 1, Hala Crayola. Use your crayon with your favorite color in matching the pictures with its description. Use lines to connect them. Let's answer. 1. Answer C. Polka Sanayon. It means polka in the village. This dance was popular in Batangas province during the Spanish era. Historically, it was a popular dance during large social gatherings and local fiestas. 2. Answer A. Flores de Mayo. The Catholic Church celebrates Flowers of May, a month-long celebration in which devotees honor the Blessed Virgin Mary by presenting flowers every day. 3. Answer B. Cenaculo, a play that generally takes place on holy days or throughout Lent, depicting the sufferings, death, and resurrection of Jesus Christ. Lesson Purpose Activity 2. Find me in your room and kaboom! You have 5 minutes to find the hidden words in your room. Once you find a word, write it down. After the time is up, share your words on the board. Unlocking Content Vocabulary. Share thoughts. Read the words in chorus. We will share our understanding on the retrieved words posted on the board. 1. Explore. Refers to travel in or through an unfamiliar country or area to learn about or familiarize oneself with it. 2. Performance. Refers to an action or process of carrying out or accomplishing an action, task, or function. 3. Conventional. Refers to the things that are normal, ordinary, and following the accepted way or based on or in accordance with what is generally done or believed. 4. Creative works. Refers to blended outputs of 2 or more art forms, including music, dance, visual arts, theater, and other art forms. Activity 3, Journey to the Spanish Colonial Period. Part 1, Group Formation and Drawing Lots. Form groups. A. We will divide the class into 3 groups, making sure everyone's skills and interests are balanced. Draw lots. A. Each group will draw a slip of paper from the box to see which performance topic they will work on. Polka Sanayon, Flores de Mayo, or Cenaculo. Part 2, Assign Video Watching. Each group will watch a video about their assigned topic. Group 1, Polka Sanayon. Group 2, Flores de Mayo. Group 3, Cenaculo. 2. Watch the video using your own device, phone, tablet, or laptop. 3. Watch the video using your own device, phone, tablet, or laptop. Pay attention to how they adopted traditional processes, practices in performing and visual arts during the 17th to 18th century. 4. Take notes on important details you will need for your checklist. 5. After watching, check yes or no on your checklist based on what you observed. Here's the checklist: music, theater and performances, dance and visual arts. For observation notes, answer the following. 1. What is the music, lyric, or script used? 2. Do they have costumes? What about the attire? 3. Do they have actors, dancers, artists? And 4. Are the performing arts focused on religion, particularly Catholicism? Week 7, Day 1. Worked example. Using the same groupings with their assigned videos, try to adopt the conventional processes and practices you have viewed and will prepare for your practice to perform the task assigned to your group regarding the Philippine music and arts inspired by the conventions of 17th to 18th century. Activity 4. Creative Work Adaptation. Each group will be given ample time to prepare and practice. Group 1, Polka Sanayon Dance Adaptation. Objective: choreograph and perform a modern adaptation of the Polka Sanayon incorporating 17th to 18th century dance conventions. Materials: sample music of dance, art materials, pen, worksheet. Any available local, natural, and synthetic materials to adopt processes, attire, and instruments. Instructions: 1. Adopt a dance routine that incorporates traditional polka steps with elements of 17th to 18th century dance styles. 2. Ensure the choreography reflects historical dance formations and patterns while adding a modern twist. 3. Design costumes that blend traditional Filipino attire with fashion elements from the 17th to 18th centuries. 4. Use accessible materials to create these costumes, ensuring they are suitable for dancing. 5. Rehearse and perform the adapted dance, focusing on maintaining the rhythm, formation, and etiquette of both traditional polka and historical dance styles. Group 2, Flores de Mayo Visual Arts Project. Objective: create a visual art piece inspired by the Flores de Mayo Festival, incorporating 17th to 18th century artistic techniques and styles. Materials: sample video and pictures of Flores de Mayo, art materials, pen, worksheet. Any available local, natural, or synthetic materials to adopt processes, attire, and instruments. Instructions: 1. Develop a concept for a visual art piece that captures the essence of the Flores de Mayo while incorporating historical art techniques. 2. Create sketches and gather materials that reflect the chosen concept. 3. Produce a visual art piece, painting, drawing, or mixed media, using techniques such as chiaroscuro for dramatic lighting, baroque for elaborate detail, or rococo for playful elegance. 4. Ensure the piece includes elements of the Flores de Mayo festival such as floral motifs and religious iconography. Group 3, Cenaculo Adaptation. Objective: adopts and perform a modern version of the traditional cenaculo, incorporating 17th to 18th century theatrical practices. Materials, sample video and short script of cenaculo, art materials, pen, worksheet. Any available local, natural, and synthetic materials to adopt processes, attire, and instruments. Instruction 1. Adopt a script for a short scene from the cenaculo incorporating modern language while retaining the core themes and messages. 2. Ensure the script reflects the dramatic structure and storytelling techniques of the 17th to 18th centuries. 3. Modify design costumes that blend traditional attire with contemporary elements inspired by historical research. 4. Create a simple set design that reflects the aesthetic of 17th to 18th century theater using modern materials. Week 8. Activity 5. 17th to 18th century in my memory. Objective: present to the class the assigned performance task or piece of art using contemporary processes and practices in Philippine music and arts inspired by the conventions of 17th to 18th century. Materials: pen, worksheet, adopted processes, practices, attire or costumes, props, artwork, presentation, choreography, steps, dance, and instruments, scoring rubric, and Bluetooth speaker. Instructions: A. Do this in an open space, school, gymnasium, covered court if there's any. B. Prepare your scoring sheet and get ready to perform. Here's the criteria: originality in adopting traditional works, creativity in blending old and new practices, skill and precision in performance, attention to detail. Scoring guide: 16 to 14 points, excellent. 13 to 10 points, good. 9 to 6 points, satisfactory. 5 to 4 points, needs improvement. Reflection on Learning, Group 1, Polka Sanayon Dance Adaptation. Write a reflection on the experience of adopting the Polka Sanayon, discussing how historical dance practices influence the final choreography and performance. Group 2, Flores de Mayo Visual Arts Project. Write a reflection on the artistic process, discussing the challenges and insights gained from blending traditional festival themes with historical art techniques. Group 3, Cenaculo Adaptation. Write a reflection on the process of adapting the cenaculo, discussing the challenges and creative decisions made to blend historical practices with modern elements. Formative assessments, instructions: read each question carefully and choose the best answer by encircling the corresponding letter. 1. What is Flores de Mayo? Answer: B. A month-long celebration in honor of the Blessed Virgin Mary. 2. What does the cenaculo depict? Answer: C. The suffering, death, and resurrection of Jesus Christ. 3. What does Polka Sanayon mean? Answer: A. Polka in the village. 4. During which period was Polka Sanayon popular in Batangas Province? Answer: C. Spanish era. 5. What themes were commonly used in theater and performances during the Spanish colonial period? Answer: C. Religious themes. Maraming salamat sa panonood! Huwag kalimutang i-like at mag-subscribe para sa higit pang educational content. I-click ang bell icon para ma-update ka sa ating mga bagong video. Salamat!